everyone, it's Alyssa here from the Township of Washington Library with our craft for the month. So today I'm going to show you how to turn a salt and pepper shaker into a really cute country chic bud vase. So we're starting with this nice simple glass shaker. We're not going to need the top anymore, so you can go ahead and recycle this. And you have two, I'm only going to do one. And I chose these particular ones because I love the detail of the glass, just like the kind of ribbing, the columns that are on it. I think it'll make for a more interesting texture when you see how we distress it. So this is just going to be nice and simple. The first thing that I did, although now I've been touching it, is just rub it down with an alcohol wipe or something to get off any film so that our paint applies nice and evenly, which I have given you. Just gently give it a little shake. You may notice some separation at the top. This is a chalky finish paint. It's not the same as chalkboard paint, but if you are watching this and you didn't get a craft kit, you could probably use it. I mean, it's similar in finish, it just doesn't do the same thing, but this chalky paint, the color is French teal, just creates this really nice finish that is really popular and very trendy right now in sort of the country, chic, modern, decorating trend world. And so I wanted to make sure everybody had the same paint if you got a craft kit, but you can get these are really inexpensive to get. If you have chalkboard paint, I mean, most people only have it in black, so I guess you could, and it'll have a similar texture. But yeah, this is not actually chalkboard paint, it just has to do with the finish and how it dries down really matte with a little bit of a texture. So we're gonna get started. This is a really easy, really quick craft, but I thought it looked really pretty, so that's why we went with this one. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. I have my sponge brush, my paint, and my clean glass. So really simple, you're just gonna paint it. You're gonna dip your brush in and you're gonna paint it. And just try to get it to be nice and even. You'll see it's a different texture, this paint. It's a little thick, it's got a nice texture, it'll dry down nice and matte. And so we're just gonna try to get it nice and even. You might need a second coat because there will be some streaks from the glass. It's just the way that shiny surface likes to take things. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry for a few minutes before I go in with the second coat. You can see there are some streaks, and that's just from the texture of the glass and the paint kind of having a little disagreement with each other. But as the paint dries, you can go ahead and do a second coat. And because this is an acrylic, it should not take that long to dry down enough. So I'm just going to take a few minutes and then you'll see me go on in with a second coat. Okay, so this is mostly dry. There's still some wet spots where I glooped it on here at the top. But it's a little humid in this room today where I am. But I'm going to show you how to now distress it. So I started to do it over here. So I've given everybody who got a kit, and if you don't have a kit, I'm just using a really, really fine grit sandpaper. This is a 320. And so I kind of went and I got a corner. Right? And you can go over these raised ridges. And it's just that kind of farmhouse distressed look. And I love it. It looks so nice. And you can do as much or as little as you want. In the corners, these raised places. Right? Anywhere that constant touch and age would normally wear things away. So cute. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to be very careful because as you can see, like I said, this is still a little wet over here. I do want to sand down the top a little bit too. is I have some twine, and if you don't like the twine, you can just use ribbon. You can use whatever you'd like. And I'm going to just go ahead and tie a little bow around it. And I'm gonna put, this is the only flower that we had here at the library, but I'm gonna put a little stem in here. And that's it. So I'll show you the whole thing together. This was definitely from Halloween. But so you can put, you know, a faux stem in there, or little sprigs of herbs or lavenders, little tiny buds, little flowers that you get. Baby's breath would look so cute in here. But it's so simple, and it's really, I love the texture of it. It's just matte, but it's a different kind of matte. It really has a little bit of texture in it. And then of course when you're sanding it down, gives it a little bit of texture on its own too. But this is just so cute. Put this on your windowsill, on a table somewhere, really cute. It'll look cuter without these black Halloween decorations, but I really like it. It's a really simple craft, so you have 2 of these to make, and again, you can use whatever kind of ribbon you would like if you don't like the twine, but I felt like the twine went with the rustic kind of country charm that we have going on over here. And that's it. That is our craft for this month. It is so easy. It was so quick to do, but really satisfying because it's just pretty adorable. And of course, I mean, this is, I liked the French teal. I felt like it was pretty trendy. If you don't love it, you can go out and you can buy, this is the brand that I use. I got it from the craft store. They have white, they have cream, they have all different colors, but you want this chalky finish. So if you don't like the French teal, I won't be mad about it. And if you do choose to go out and find a different color, these little bottles are less than $2. Send me a picture so I can see what you did. But otherwise, I hope that everybody loves this as much as I do. So cute and so fun. And I hope you all have fun. All right, that is it, everyone. That's our craft for this month. I will see you next month with another craft. Bye.